Hi, welcome to Tbcs. I'm Tanvir. I'm here for explaining one important matters, that is GPE and KE. In physics, GPE, there are many types of energy in physics, but GPE is the gravitational potential energy. The word potential means possible, you know, forthcoming realities. GPE, in GPE there are three criterias. How is the mass? When a materials, when a suppose a bricks has been taken up over a fifth floor building, right? So can you imagine that bricks has achieved a destructive potentiality? I mean, simply if this bricks would be released over a person, the person will be died. So potentiality, I mean, when a material is taken up, the materials achieve a falling down tendency, and this is the GP, right? And when a material is taken up over the fifth floor building, the materials achieve a hidden, silent killing tendency, right? And when the materials start falling, instantly the K will be increased. So GP and K is opposite. When the materials, you know, the materials, when the materials is taking up, the materials is ignoring the, you are with the pressurization, you are taking the materials to the fifth floor building. At the time of taking that, 9.8 mean over each materials there is a tendency of gravitational energy, right? So that this is 9.8, approximately 10. So what are the three criteria? Firstly, you need to believe that how is the mass. I have given the example of 1 kg. If this is very big on, so the destructive, the potentiality will be bigger. There is a question of, G is fixed, G is 9.8, whatever the materials, but H is another criteria. Mean, I have given example of taking the up to the fifth floor building. If this is taken to the sky, the destruction potentiality will be much more. So when a materials, you are simply thinking this is a bricks. No, it's not a bricks, it's a destructive machine. So the hidden, the potentiality, hidden power, that is our concerning. And when a material is taken up, it becomes silent. But when that just released to the ground, instantly the kinetic, I mean the moving energy, kinetic mean moving energy is getting increased. So there are two matters. One is the silent or taken up. When a material is taken up, in the materials there is a gathered, achieved, hidden potentiality is waiting to destroy. That is the potential energy. And there are three matters I told. But you understand that simply this is GPE and KE. But problem when you go to the exam hall, international exam hall, I have taken this example from the question paper, past paper. You see, you concern the matter GP and KE. But in exam hall, except your education, you need many ideas, you need many general knowledge. How that is possible, I'm exposing. You are watching, this is the question that has been taken from the question paper. Watching this, crane. This is another chapter. Crane has a turning effect of force. I mean, suitability. In the turning effect of force, suitability would be used. This is your general knowledge that in crane, there is a, what is this? Clockwise motion. Clockwise, and there is anti-clockwise, right? So, of course, that the time of using the crane at the time of raising the materials, crane will use this portion, not that portion. This is that is the question of general knowledge, right? And this picture is bit confusing. because there are 4 distance. This is one distance, this is another distance, this is here you are watching A, B, C, D. My question that which distance will be needed for calculating GPE? Okay, obviously this is the horizontal distance. GP is not related to the horizontal distance. GP is related to the vertical distance, because horizontal distance perhaps in most cases for getting work, also work could be found in the horizontal, but after all horizontal distance is not for GP, because GP is the taken up, so this is ignorable. Secondly, this is not neither horizontal or vertical, so this is also ignorable. And now these two in the MCQ, 2 should be eliminated. Already these 2 has been eliminated. Now these 2 might be the answer, A and B. But problem, in GP there are 3 method, M, G, H, right? So H, at the time of counting H, these will be taken up. This is lift, right? This is a crane. So in crane, undoubtedly the achievement, the H will be counted this one, not this one, because this is being taken here, this is being taken up here, so this is the countable H here, not this. So these 2 has been eliminated, and among these 2 answer, A is the answer. Today morning we had short test. After teaching one chapter we would take a short test, and in that short test I gave such type of 15 question. After 2 days of lecture, we gave this exam short test, and we evaluated instantly. So with this test we try to sharpen our student mentality. So what is, in short, at a glance, whatever have you understood? There is a question of GPE. GPE mean mass, then not negotiating, overcoming or ignoring the question of gravitational matter, that is another matter, and there is another matter, that is H, right? So in GP there are 3 matters. Question of mass, exactly, this is our targeted mass, but at the time of raising, of course in crane the things never raised here. In crane things always raised up at the corner, so this will be the expected picture. So with using your general knowledge, you try to face the final exam, and exactly you should have a minute mentality how to face the exam. This is your general knowledge, this is your authenticity, this is your seriousness, that watching the picture you need to decide. So GP is MGS, but final exam is not only the question of MGS. In final exam you should have many general ideas. So this is the real picture of past paper where the answer is A. I want to today, in this picture, I wanted to emphasize that in final exam, with the thematical ideas, with the theoretical ideas, you need many instant or creativity. Thank you very much.